what's up? It's your girl Alicia, and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, it's actually going to be a makeup tutorial on this eyeshadow look that you guys see here. So if you guys are interested in checking out this look, please make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia, and please make sure you hit that subscribe button before you get out of here. Come and join the family. If you are already one of my angels, you guys know I love you so much. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Angel, so diving in the Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this purple eyeshadow and I'm applying it right above my crease. And make sure you guys take your time and just build up the color. Don't rush it. I know this video is sped up, but just take your time. Then I'm jumping back into the palette and taking this hot pink and I'm putting it like right at the top of that purple because I wanted it to kind of like transition into it. And for some guys, you might want to use the pink first, but I just wanted to do it this way. Then I'm grabbing this other purple and I'm going right in my crease and I'm just darkening it up, giving it more depth, more definition, because I wanted it to be like this really smoky vibe. That's what I was going for. So now we're going to dive back into the Morphe 35B palette, and they have this very cute purple and it's a shimmery eyeshadow, and I just wanted to pop that right on the lid, which came out great. Then I'm jumping into this Galaxy palette. This is the Rihanna palette, guys, and I'm just applying that glitter right over that purple. Then I'm going back and taking this darker bluish purple and just putting it right in the crease and darken it up some more. Then I'm applying my foundation. Right here I'm using, I don't even know what I'm using. I think the LA Girl foundation, HD foundation and coffee. Just check the description, guys. But anyway, I'm just going to blend that in and then dive back into the palette and take this hot pink shade, and I'm going to be smoking out that lower lash line. And I am going to be diving back in the palette again and taking this purplish shade. I don't know if that's blue, guys, but smoking out the bottom of my lash line again. And you popping, girl. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. I decided to go with the whole purple vibes and the purple lip. Just really wanted to do something purple. I don't know. And something different is I didn't use any eyeliner today. No type of wing or anything. So just wanted to switch it up a little bit. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Do you like this look? Once again, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.